Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today I think that maybe it's time to take a look at the Great British Pound because we haven't taken a look at it for the considerable period of time already. So I think a couple of weeks have passed since we have taken a look last time on it, especially because gold market actually just stands on the way with our scenario that we have discussed yesterday. And indeed, I will show you just briefly the follow time frame chart of the gold. That was our discussion yesterday. We said once retracement will be over here, market will drop. And yesterday we were at this point where the downward action has started, and we said you could try to jump in on minor pullback. Now market has dropped lower. So actually on the gold market right now, market price is forming the same shape as it was here. So you can see ABCD retracement. Actually gold market likes to form 222 patterns. This is some kind of the habit of the gold market. But we think that another leg down should follow, because take a look, market actually hasn't quite reached the XOP target, 1456, and it stands slightly below these lows. So in the current circumstances, it seems that market will continue downward action, but hardly it will break through the 1450, just because the 1450 is the weekly confidence support. So this really needs additional discussion in the weekend, because gold market right now, the price behavior on this week makes impact on the weekly chart as well, and we need to take a look at it. But currently, in today's session, I think that either market will end this week with a retracement, or if downward action will be reestablished, it probably will be market will reach XOP. Hardly it will break significantly lower. So as you can see, all the things that we talked about now stands in place, and market just follows this trading plan. Now let's take a look what we have on the Great British Pound. On the Great British Pound, after the first explosive turmoil on the Brexit update that has been released a couple of weeks ago, this rally has happened. If you probably remember all the stuff that we talked about in our weekly reports, now day-by-day updates. So Great British Pound has shown nice performance, but since the last news has been released, now market stands in some flat consolidation, and that is normal. First is because currently we do not have a lot of news on the Brexit. Second, because from the technical point of view, market stands in rather strong resistance. So first of all, take a look. It's calling around the confidence resistance level. You can see 618 level from this top to this bottom, 30% resistance from this top to this bottom. So this is confluence. Besides, if you'll take a look at the weekly chart, market also stands at the overbought on the weekly chart, and it necessary some retracement. At the same time, taking a look at the reaction that we see here, well, the Great British Pound stands stubbornly well around this top. So other markets in different conditions, in such circumstances, when price hits overbought accompanied by the confidence, usually shows stronger downside reaction. On the Great British Pound, we do not see it. Market stands relatively tight to the previous top. It shows very gradual action, so no panic, no sell-off. So it suggests that mostly, at least currently, it looks more like the consolidation before upward continuation. And here we could suggest appearing of the kind of the flag pattern is forming. This is typical classical continuation pattern. So based on this flag pattern, it seems that market could continue slightly lower action, forming the ABCD pattern, but overall picture looks bullish here. So if we take a look at the follow time frame chart, you could see what we could expect in the nearest time. So we have the ABCD pattern. OP stands 2750 approximately. Next we have support cluster 127. It's also monthly pivot support one. XOP stands at 2670. Well, taking into consideration the current price behavior, I would suggest that currently it's more logical to hit 127, 127.50, because take a look at that. CD leg stands flatter. It shows the slowdown on downward action compared to AB. It usually leads to reversal at the OP point. And also OP creates some kind of an agreement and cluster, support cluster with the monthly pivot support. So I would suggest that here we should get also the support trend line of the flag. Daily pattern is approximately around OP. As you can see, indeed, somewhere right at this point will be 127 support. So that's why currently I wouldn't consider the XOP by far, at least in the current situation when other things stands equal. If we will get something new, situation will change. We probably could think about XOP in the deep downward action. But in the current condition, in the current picture, it seems that market should reach 127 area, and then it's probably upward continuation really could happen. So that's what we see right now on the cable.